Good morning, people. How are you doing today? I'm going to do a quick smoothie. I think this is one of the best things you could do in your life. And I'm going to tell you what I put in it. All right, here we go. First, you take about a half a cup of berries. Put that in there. Then you take some bananas. All this is frozen. The reason being is because I don't like putting ice in my drink after I put the fruit in. So this is more economical than anything. It helps me save space in the cup also. Now we're going to do avocado. So right now, about a quarter cup avocado. And like I said, all this is frozen. Maybe a little more berry. Whoops. Lost the berry. So, and I tend to fill it up. Then we're going to put in some aloe vera juice. Put it in right there. All right. Then we're going to make this thing green. This is matcha almond beverage. And I'm telling you, it's green. Can't believe it myself. But we're going to try it. There we go. Fill it as much to the top as possible. You have to remember that once you start doing this, it will expand a little bit. Now, I have some chia seeds that I'm going to put in here. That gives it some more consistency. Now, some people want to put in flax oil seeds, and I do that on occasion also, but not all the time. Now, all you have to do is blend it. And if you have a blender, I have a Ninja, and usually it takes about 2 cycles. You put it on smoothie, and it'll take up to a minute. And then, since mine is so thick, I have to put it in again. And sometimes the machine gets overloaded because I make it so thick. So there you have it. Mixed berries, avocado, banana, matcha, almond beverage, and chia seeds, and plus aloe vera. So we'll see how it comes out. I'll let you know after I taste it. Thanks for joining. This is a part of your healthy day, and you should stay healthy as much as possible. Goodbye, y'all.